morning, ladies and gentlemen. Morning, good morning, good morning. So, we are on the way to a quick job at where we installed the gate. Just a little quick split of a video. So, loading up the excavator, going down. On my walk around and tire pressure check this morning, I found my right front shock top mount a little loose. Not jingling, but just enough that the washer can spin around. So I tightened that up. But I just say it's important on a new suspension system to check the first, they say 500 miles. But, not everything can be perfect. So I tried to do it as per instructions. A little loose, it's okay. I'll keep checking it. All right. Alrighty. Safety before anything. All right, so we're up here picking up the machine. 4-wheel drive low, e-brake first, then parking, chock both truck and trailer. Now we're getting the trailer ramped up. So this is a pretty good downhill. I never load or unload my trucks without them being in 4-wheel. So just a safety thing. Seen too many horror stories. Heard them, seen them. All right, let's go get it. All right. Nice cold startup after about a week or something. Yeah. See how she cranks. Optima battery inside. No problemo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are tied down. Tie down overkill over here. Yep, both sides like that. Bam, bam. Very good and tight. Nice, nice. Boom, locked. Everything's looking good. All right. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, we are heading out. Getting out of 4-wheel here. Regardless, I always put it into neutral. Reverse a little bit, take the driveline pressure off the front. All right. First. Bam, tow haul, bam. Gain is okay for slow stuff. All right, so we are on our way here. Take it nice and slow. Take it nice and slow. Because it's a steep hill, I hate burning brakes. So yeah, we're going to a little job, a couple hours, helping out a friend, a little bit, friend, customer. Gate install place. Oh yeah, the brakes are working. Squeaky, squeaky. Drum brakes, small trailer, electric. All right, past the gate. All right, let's head out on the road. Oh yeah, sounds good. Gain to 3.5. Checking traffic, and we're off. Taking it easy. Here coming off the trailer. so this might look familiar. This is the gate I made. Painted it nice right at the same day there. Looks super. So the issue we're having is, you guys can maybe see the pink string line there. So we got to make it a little more level under there. So we got to go scrapey scrapey, and then maybe a little bit scrapey scrapey, a little filly filly, and then see what we can do to amend that. So, yep, highway's right there. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, some time lapse of some scrapage. There's some low spots here. All this rough stuff, it's going to be filled in with gravel. He's going to get a load for gravel and base course so he can fill up the trench. Those are water lines. So this is just getting it rough up there so we don't have to waste so much fine material that's going to be hauled in. So we're just trying to get that going good. So he's using his skiddy and just you know, getting stuff up here. So far so good. Just some rough stuff, but yeah, I'll show you the progress at the end. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're loaded up, heading out. As you guys can see, we made it a lot flatter. Can use some base course to fill that in. All right, so good progress, good progress. So yeah, we'll just drive on out of here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a pretty steep road coming out. So let's see how the truck does. All right, let's see how we do on this hill. Throttle, just staying in second gear, no need to strain it. gentlemen, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the suspension. First impressions. Towing a load, about 18 to 20,000, somewhere around there. This road sucks that I'm on. Oh my God. So, this suspension really takes up the bumps well, even when loaded. The back's a little low. I'm going to put airbags back there just to even it out, you know, toughen it up a little bit. Not that it needs it, but I want it. But yeah, so this suspension really soaks up all these bumps a whole lot better than the stock suspension. And I mean, it gets a little getting used to. It takes a little getting used to. But boy, I think the control authority is pretty darn good. You know, good shocks, I think, is the main thing. So, yeah, with this road just being really crappy, thank you, Hawaii, County of Hawaii. Yeah, so we're just towing, slow, nobody behind me, all good. So yeah, we'll be home soon. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are home. As you guys see, quick and easy job, nothing to it. First real haul with the new front leveling kit. Improvement, I like it. I like it, not too much droop in the back. But yeah, real good job, easy, fast. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that one. And as usual, please like, comment, subscribe. Aloha, thanks for watching.